I'm back with a first. This is my first unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox two items that I ordered. Today is September 20th. Opening day of deer season for archery in South Carolina here come in 5 days ago, September 15th. I have experimented in the past with tree saddle hunting, and it's all the rage and it's the big thing now. I've tried the JX3, which I love the comfort of the JX3 hybrid from John. He's a great guy. It just didn't work for me as far as carrying my pack and everything. I could have probably figured something out, but if you know me, I want it right then. I want it how I want it right then. I've tried the Tether Phantom. I had a lot of hip pinch. It was okay, but sitting for 2 hours was uncomfortable for me. I tried the Trophy Line saddle, and it was more comfortable than the tethered. But today I'm going to unbox the Cruzr XC. Also today, I'm going to be unboxing the XOP Edge platform. I'm going to actually try the saddle on and let you see how it fits me. Stay tuned, stick with me. This is a first. All right, so here we go. First up, this is the XOP. I ordered this about 4 days ago and it just come in this morning. Let's see what's in the box. All right, this looks like the teeth for the platform. This looks like attachment for the platform. Attention. It's like a booklet, owner's booklet. And there's the platform. Making sure I did that. Just open it up easy and not make any noise. And that's what we're gonna try. We're gonna try this platform out with the new saddle. I guess they give you, looks like a full restraint system. I'm not sure. And then here's the installation manual of the Edge platform. And next, we're going to open Cruzr. Let's just see what we got. I'm excited. Invoice. Well, they took all my money. Give me a little decal. Decal, pretty cool. Set that there. This is a dump pouch. Store all your ropes or whatever you want in there. That was 30 bucks. There's a lot of other options on Amazon. I've got 2 more coming, 15 bucks, 20 bucks. But this is the Cruzr one. And I ordered it to go with it. I am not getting any of this stuff free. I am not sponsored. I bought this just like you would. I didn't get a discount, anything. This is going to be my honest review of this saddle. No strings attached. And like I said, I have tried 3 other saddles already. There's a lineman's belt that I ordered, or tether. the knee pad that you put on the tree. Once you put it on the tree, when you're leaning in, I don't think that's gonna damn fit me. That's awful small. Don't know that that's gonna work. But that goes around the tree, and these are your knees. It's supposed to go in, but one of my knees is about that big. I don't know, we'll see. The back band, try to make it as comfortable as possible. I heard this helps a lot, but the saddle itself is supposed to be very comfortable. And then we have the piece de resistance. Cruzr saddle XC. I ordered a size 3. I don't know if you can tell. I'm sure you can. I'm a big boy, not very tall, but I am a big boy. I'm on a diet, I'm trying to lose some weight, but it doesn't matter if I get down to 220 pounds, 200 pounds. I have big butt, big thighs, and I have to buy size pants 2 sizes bigger than my waist usually just to get my butt and pants on. So here it is. This is the Cruzr XC. You think my big butt's gonna fit in there? I think it will. I'm kind of excited. I just hope this thing's everything people say it is. Let's slip it on. All right, so here's the saddle. Those of you who don't know, there is a right and a wrong way to put this on, or an easier way to put it on. All right, so grab your belt and your bridge and just step. That's on a fixed bridge. Let go of your bridge. Well, I got the straps up out of the way. I get to the tree, I'd put them on. Got your lineman's loops. It's like a fluorescent red, kinda. You got your bridge loops. It is adjustable for up and down to position the saddle under you more or less. We're gonna go give it a shot, see what happens. Stick with me. All right. I'm here at the tree. We're gonna test out this Cruzr XC saddle. Also gonna check out the XOP platform. And I also have a ring of steps that I made out of some plastic steps 3 or 4 years ago. We're gonna put those on and give you a test on those as well. Stay tuned, stick with me. All right, so here's the saddle. This is how I get into a saddle. Hold the fixed bridge, hold your belt, just step in, pull it up, lock your belt. Once your belt's done, I got the straps hooked back up on themselves. Leg straps are in. Adjust the junk. All right. Saddle's in place. Bridge. I just usually take and tuck at just to get it out of my way. Just tuck it like that. All right. For purposes of this video, I'm going to get the platform and attach it and the ring of steps, and we're not going to climb right now today. This is just a demo of the saddle. You don't have to go high to do that. So, all right, right here, I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to put the XOP platform on the tree. Just take it and put it where you want it. Of course, you'd be up in the tree higher. This is just for demonstration. Just wrap the strap around the tree and put the loop on. Get the strap level and pull the cam buckle and get it tight, and then push down on the stand and cam the platform over, and that locks it in. It is pretty solid, pretty sturdy. Don't think you got any chance of it kicking out or slipping on you. Here I'm attaching the knee pad to the tree. This pad actually is very comfortable. When you're sitting, you put your knees into the pad. I like it. Backpack, Field Line Pro Series, Walmart, 10 bucks. Can't beat it. In here I got a ring of steps. Show you what I did. I took a strap that come with one of these steps. It has a little hook on it, and it had a push the button release, not a ratchet strap. I forgot what it's called. Anyway, I got rid of it and I put a ratchet, regular ratchet on it. After I threaded all the steps on there, I've got 6 steps. This is what I use for a ring of steps. And if you be real quiet, you can work this ratchet. And spread your steps out. Get them spaced pretty evenly, best you can. About a hand width apart, roughly. Then I just tighten that down. And that should be good. Go one more, just for measure. The tighter you can get these, the better. All right, we're getting ready to get in the tree, see how this thing does. Normally, you'd have your steps and you'd get up to this point and put your platform in. But for demonstration purposes, I'm just doing it on the ground. Loosen up the nut straps. Nut straps are loose. All right, I'm in standing position right now. Very comfortable. I hadn't expanded my bottom. Let's expand that. Now I should have a big seat set in. We're gonna come down a little more. Get our pad right for our knees. Sitting. Man, that's pretty doggone comfortable. I could go to sleep right here. No weight on my feet whatsoever. All the weight's on my butt and it's distributed. My knees are just here, touching this rubber pad. It's very comfortable. It's a Cruzr pad. I thought it'd be too small. I have big legs, big knees, but it's not. It actually works good. I got the adjustable bridge all the way out. That's just where it's comfortable for me, I guess, because of this. But this is leaving here. And yeah, I can go around and shoot all the way to there. Use the tree to block him. Just ease right around here. This is where I feel a little like I might slip. You got to be real careful. Gravity's wanting to take over. But yeah, if the deer is gonna come here, I'm good. If they come here, I'm gonna have to do something else. I'll probably stand up. Let's see. Stand up. I'm stepping on my foot. And I have my bow and can get this position, but you're gonna have to do that without him seeing you. And if you want to stand, you can stand. Tighten this saddle back, put that back in the saddle. Now let's go back to sitting. These straps got to be loose. Too tight. Okay. Now, go to sitting position. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Well, this is going to be a first for me. I've hunted out of a tree saddle, but I've never shot out of a tree saddle. So, this would be typically, I'd have my quiver up there. I just got 2 arrows to shoot. I purposely made this the most difficult shot. Well, not the most difficult shot, because that would be 4 or 5 o'clock. But the 2:30, that's where my target is. We're gonna see how would we do this. That deer's coming in. God. Don't like that. Feel like I was about to bust my ass any second. That's why it's called practice, man. I ain't done this. I'm used to hunting from a damn platform. That's a lot of movement right there. This ain't even gonna happen. I don't even know why. That right there was easier than the other one.
Why?
Because that's my strong. This is the dead zone here.
You're having to cross over.
And then I'm having to twist. I'm having to do this. And all I gotta do is just let this thing lay me right in there. And then just.
You know you can get that shot from the left side every time. So you need to a shot, you need to be able to get whatever their trail is or where you think they're coming from, you need to be able to get them from the left.
Well, that's, I always set up that way, you know.
Well, I'm talking about with that new rig though, you didn't know that till you just swung around the other way, right?
But if you look, Brian, this is straight.
Mm-hmm.
And I just shot all the way around
You were hanging.
from 180 degrees, not to 180 degrees, to 270. I went all the way around and shot 270.
Right.
All right, so I really think I'm gonna like the saddle hunting this year with this particular saddle is a lot more comfortable than the ones I've had. I just took a shot from my weak side and bringing the bow over, or you can bring it under. But when I got turned around, it's very uncomfortable. The ropes in my belly and my chest. I felt like I was gonna fall. Didn't feel very good. And I said, well, there's no way that I can shoot that direction, which is 270 degrees from that side. And then I said, I'm just gonna let it lean me in and then roll around and see what happens. Well, I did, and I got to here. And that's dead in the middle. Now granted, this is, well, from that tree to there is 10 yards, so 8 yards, 9 yards. I'm gonna be hunting food trees, so the deer are gonna be coming to me. And the first shot I get presented at 20 yards or less, I'm gonna take it. Let's see if we can replicate that. We're sitting here. The deer's coming, he can't see me. Grab the bow, just go like to a sitting position with my knee, let gravity take over, clip on, ease around, draw. Almost Robin Hood. That'll work. I think I'm ready to give this a try here Friday or Saturday, tomorrow or Saturday. We're gonna see.
I got ready to DDT your deer, but he stuck to the ground. You wait till you watch that footage. I went down, I was like, this look.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that in there too.